Hi there, students. Sterling. Okay, sterling can be either an adjective or a noun. As a noun, you all know it, pounds sterling. Yeah, sterling is the British currency, and I'll explain that in a bit more detail in a minute. But sterling as an adjective, this is how you would want to use it. Something of a very high standard, of a very good quality. He did sterling work helping us to resolve our problem. Everybody in the team made a sterling effort, yeah, a very good effort. Um, uh, you're describing somebody's work or somebody's qualities as excellent, very valuable. Yes, this group does sterling work for homeless people. So very good in quality, yeah? These are sterling qualities that would be admired in anyone. He was presented a gold watch for all his years of sterling service. So here, excellent, sound, first class, fine, really good quality. Yeah, he really does do sterling work. He's a person of sterling character, of the highest quality. Okay, so now let's go back to why pounds sterling. Well, sterling is a purity of gold or silver. So sterling silver, you've probably heard that phrase. And if by saying sterling here, it means it's 92.5% silver or more. So it's almost completely silver. Yeah, the other 7.5% is copper. I think in gold, sterling means, I think, 91.666, 91 and 2/3% gold. There is even actually another standard, Britannia silver, which is 95.83%. So it's actually even purer. If you actually look at British silver, it has a hallmark on it, a mark to say that the purity of the silver is good and the tax has been paid on it. And originally, British coins, silver coins, were at least 92.5% silver, and that's why pounds sterling. And gold coins were 91 and 2/3% gold. Okay, and that's where it comes from. It's a guarantee about the purity of the coins that you get, because in the past, a coin, the weight of the gold or the silver in the coin was its actual value. Okay, and that's why pounds sterling. Okay, today, though, we use this sterling as an adjective meaning really, really good. So I hope to give a sterling explanation of the meaning of sterling. Yeah, he made a sterling effort in his exam and managed to pass with an A grade. Okay, so yeah, some very high quality, of high worth, of influence, authoritative, of great value, genuine, excellent. Okay, so yes, you could make a comment about the sterling work I do in this channel. Okay, and then as to origin, maybe it comes from the word starling, which is a bird. It's one of these birds with a speckled chest, and you see huge numbers of them. And in the past, that the starling was engraved on one part of British coins. Maybe it also comes from the word stare, which actually meant star, as in a shilling, star, shilling. And many Norman coins had stars on them as well. Okay, but, well, It's not sure. Maybe you've got a better suggestion as to the origin. Okay, so sterling, good quality, or the currency. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sterling.